Alright, in this video we are gonna discuss more about default values. It means the variables has already got the values, and if you don't assign the variables, then it will assign the default values. Let's just create another file in here and then types default underscore values. That's all. Create this, and then don't forget about the version 0.8.18, and then type contract, and then name the contract as default values. Alright, open up the curly brace, and then I'm gonna introduce you more about default values. And then first variable we got boolean. This default values of booleans is false. We're gonna name this boolean as the variable of a, and then I'm gonna comment this with 0, because the default values of boolean is false. Sorry, not 0, false. And then uint got the default values of 0, and then integer, same thing like uint. We're gonna name this integer as the variable of c, and then I'm gonna comment this with 0 default values, and then address is also 0, but it is different from uint and integer. It is 0 address. I'm gonna talk to you about that later. And then after addressed, we got bytes 32 public. We're gonna name this with e, and that 0 bytes, and it got 64 bytes. Then save it to compile it. Check it for the compilement if you want to make sure to compile it first, and then make sure you are going to use remix VM London for injectment, and then deploy it, and then here we go. A is the variable of boolean, b is the variable of uint, c is the variable of integer, d is the variable of address, e is the variable of bytes 32, and then the default values, a boolean is false, and then b as uint is 0, same thing like integer 0, and then addressed, there you go, 0 amount of addressed, and then bytes 32, there you go, 0.000064 times of 0.